Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to delete download failed or pending updates in Windows Update application on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. I show you guys how to delete that. Go to search menu and type File Explorer. Click on open it. On left side you just need to scroll down, select this PC. On right side you just need to double click on the drive, Windows icon drive. Double click on it and now double click on the Windows, and now you just need to search for software distribution folder. You just need to double click on it, and in here you just need to double click on the downloads folder. In here you just need to select any of these folders and press in keyboard Ctrl+A, and now right click on it and select delete it guys. Now select do this for all current items and select continue. After deleting it, you just need to go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you just need to go to search menu and type Windows Update. Click on open it. Click on check for updates. If any available updates listed over here, you just need to update it guys. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.